Good morning guys, in front of me is Google Pixel Fold and let me show you how to locate the IMEI number assigned to this device. You have two options. The first one is to open your phone dialer, enter keypad, and now you have to provide a secret code which is *# or £6. And as you can see here, we've got device information with IMEI numbers included. You can also read here serial number if you want. So this is it. To exit, tap on OK, and then you can also find IMEI via settings. So at first, enroll the list of all apps, go to the settings, scroll all the way down, and click on About Phone. Now go a bit lower, and here you've got both IMEI numbers. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.